I recently came across people talking about or taking sides of their genres. Someone is liking romance, it is not real romance. If someone is liking dark romance, it is not like actual reading. It's just like smut, and it's not supposed to be considered as reading. And even people think that non-fiction books are not really that books that are considered as readers reading stuff. या ऐसे भी लोग बोलते हैं कि इफ यू रीड क्लासिक्स देन यू मीन रियल रीडर्स आई मीन क्यों मतलब व्हाई इफ a person is reading something which they really love, it doesn't mean that they're not real readers. Why we have to put people in the box that yeah they are from this part of readers, or they are even readers, and why we have to box them up? And ज़रूरत ही नहीं होता है। मुझे लगता है कि व्हाई वी हैव टू और व्हाई देयर शुड बी अ कॉम्पिटिशन बिटवीन रीडिंग। Reading is something so personal. It's nothing like movies. It's something which is very very different. मुझे लगता है कि that if someone is reading something which they really love, it's nothing of our concerns. See, if I like a particular book and you might not like that, then it's completely okay, because reading is completely a journey, a personalized journey, and it has nothing to do with other people. And even I have seen a lot of reviews from different booktubers, and to be honest, some of the books I didn't really like it, and even some of the books that I recommend to you all, you might not like. That's how reading is. It's supposed to be personalized. It is supposed to be your thing. You don't really have to try to fit in. People who think that this particular genre might be good, or एक अलग particular genre might be, I don't think so. You might, you will come to a conclusion where you like something which is very much like to you, and it's completely okay. Don't feel judged.